Yo, it's Munfu Profit. We in the bit of the building.
And your boy Manolo Prado, you already saw the campaign. You know what it is. Live loyal.
Look, man, look. We got some. I feel like classic heat dropping this week, bruh. So we only felt like it was right that we give y'all the early sneak peek of the in-hand hats. Honestly, bro, these hats in hand are crazy to me. So I don't know. We gonna talk about it though. Facts.
We talking about the powder blues, correct, Armando?
Yes, sir. Yes, sirski.
Okay, we talking about powder blues. We talking about powder blues again. Some very dope gems in this collection. There's no getting around that. I know I got 3. My brother Munfu got 3. And I guess we're gonna go back and forth.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell y'all why I love this collection. I love this collection because I collect old Mitchell and Ness jerseys, and they actually match the jerseys perfectly. And I actually have one here today. I'm gonna show you guys just to show you how it matches up and where my head is at when I say I love these hats. All right, so let's. I'm gonna start off. Cool.
Go ahead. Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's show this one. Angels.
Okay. All right.
19. Powder blue. Red piping. The piping is team color. Green, classic greens. White guts. Cooperstown tag, which means we got a Cooperstown Batterman, and it's flat. Can you see it? So we got flat Battermans, white guts. The flag is team color. The piping is team color. This Angels hat, I got this hat because I don't have a hat with this logo on.
Facts.
It's all flat embroidery on the front and on the side patch. I'm not mad at this hat.
No, it's a good hat.
What you got for us, bro?
All right, I'm gonna show this one first. I think this one's dope because I try to pick hats I guess I felt like was closest to the team colors. They actually do have an alternate uniform with this color, so I had to grab this old Twins hat. Good Twins. Light blue with the piping. All-Star game patch is crazy. Good green bottom. Same thing. White guts, flat Batterman. Classic color, two-tone Batterman. I like this one.
Let me see that side patch, bro.
Nah, it's fire. No, the side patch crazy. 1985 Twins jump. Nah, this is one of the ones to me. I don't know. I love how it don't have the outline either. I think this one is a heater for sure.
That's a fact, though. Okay, let me get into one of the spookier hats of this collection.
Okay.
Nah, this hat is spooky. There's no getting around it.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's another one that had team color like that.
Oh my God. That hat is... Nah, this hat is hard.
Nah, hat's crazy. Facts.
Yellow piping, yellow flag, flat batty, white guts, green bottom. You already showed the campaign.
Nah, that's nasty.
Love this hat. I love this hat.
Yeah.
I gotta get the jersey to match this hat.
Nah, that jumbo logo is definitely busting. That's kind of why I like this collection too. This is another one I feel like is a standout one for me. I feel like the colors pop a lot, and also they're known very much for their green bottoms, but that's the Toronto Blue Jays.
Oh yeah.
Man, Toronto Blue Jays with the piping is crazy too. Good little all-star game. Good hat, good green bottom.
Yeah. They wore that color too.
Facts. That's what I'm saying. Like, I try to stick with teams that have done that, except for my last pick. But yeah, this hat is ridiculous for sure.
That's a fact. I got the jersey to match. I just ain't tailor it yet. Now this hat, my last hat, is it my favorite? I'm just saying it's my favorite because I got a jersey to match. But realistically, I think that Rays is my favorite. But this hat is spooky too. This is a good hat. When I saw the picture, I said, yeah, I need that. Atlanta Jorge. A little Atlanta Jorge. Look at that side patch.
Nah, that 30th is crazy. 30th is crazy. Nah, that's a good one.
I hate outlines on A's, but let me tell you why I love this hat. I love this hat because it goes perfectly with this jersey. Do you see this, Drake?
Nah, it's ridiculous. That's a good.
Do you see how the Atlanta is royal with white outline, just like the A?
Nah, you gotta go up in the outfit with that one quick.
Come on, you already saw I got you. That was fire.
Nah, it was fire.
And that's my third one.
My last one,
Mm.
yeah, this was a must-have for me. I feel like this one was the one that stood out to me the quickest. But this Cubs jump, man, look, this Cubbies with that green. Ooh, nah, this hat is crazy. This hat is crazy.
So good, but I should have got that.
Nah, this a good one. This a good one. This a good one for sure. Yeah, I feel like Classic Week coming next week too. I know we got some more great bottoms coming, so I don't know. I'm rocking.
Oh yeah, the Classic Wolves. You already know we got the Classic Wolves dropping tomorrow.
Tuesday. Yep.
Yeah, man. So stay tuned for that.
Big facts, man. Drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. We at 700 already. We about to hit that dial right quick in like a week. So yeah, man, I appreciate it. Definitely be on the lookout for these Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern. In the meantime, it's been real. Yeah. Peace.
Howdy.